Greetings, denizens of the modern world dynamics universe. Today, we're diving headfirst into a topic that has everyone buzzing: personal branding. That's right, it seems like everyone's got an opinion on it these days. From your favorite influencer, who's always one hashtag away from a viral post, to your dear old Gran, who's been strategically curating her knitting patterns on Instagram. Yes, you heard it right. Even Gran's in on the game. We'll be peeling back the layers of this fascinating world, helping you understand what personal branding really is, why it's so important, and most importantly, how you can build your own personal brand. So, whether you're looking to become the next big influencer, or just want to up your gram game, we've got you covered. So, buckle up as we delve into the world of personal branding. Scene script. Picture this. You're at a party and someone asks, "Who are you?" How would you respond? Imagine being asked such a question. Would you just state your name and occupation? Or would you tell a story that encapsulates your passions, your experiences, your values? The latter, my friends, is the essence of personal branding. So, what is personal branding? Let's think about it in a broader sense. We all know about branding in the business world. Coca-Cola, Apple, Nike. These brands have a distinct image, a unique personality that sets them apart. They have a story to tell. And so do you. Personal branding, then, is the art of creating your own unique image. It's about showcasing who you are, what you stand for, and what makes you, well, you. It's about marketing yourself, not as a commodity, but as a unique entity with a distinct story. Let's take a look at some examples of personal branding done right. Think about Elon Musk, the eccentric billionaire and CEO of SpaceX and Tesla. His personal brand isn't just about his companies. It's about his vision for the future, his quirky personality, and his audacious goals. Musk is a brand in himself, and his personal brand is intertwined with his businesses. Or consider Oprah Winfrey, a media mogul who has built an empire through her authenticity and her ability to connect with people. Her personal brand is all about empowerment, empathy, and personal growth. When you think of Oprah, you think of these values. But personal branding isn't just for celebrities or entrepreneurs. It's for everyone. Whether you're a student, a freelancer, a professional, or an influencer, your personal brand is your calling card. It's what sets you apart in this crowded world. So how do you want the world to see you? What's your story? What are your values? These are the questions that lie at the heart of personal branding. In essence, personal branding is the art of marketing yourself. It's about creating a unique image that sets you apart. Still not convinced about the importance of personal branding? Let's take a trip to the corporate world. Imagine you're at a networking event. You're surrounded by a sea of people, all vying for attention and opportunity. Amidst the chatter and clinking glasses, how do you stand out? What makes you different from the chap in the corner or the lady by the bar? That's where personal branding steps in. Let's consider a real-life example. Think about Sir Richard Branson. Now, what comes to mind? Virgin Group, right? Adventure, entrepreneurship, and a dash of rebellion. That's Branson's personal brand, and it's so powerful that it has become synonymous with the Virgin brand itself. His personality, his values, his story, they all contribute to this unique brand. On the other hand, consider a job applicant who walks into an interview with nothing more than a resume. Sure, they might have a stellar academic record or a string of successful projects, but without a personal brand to back it up, they're just another face in the crowd. Personal branding isn't about creating a false image or being someone you're not. It's about presenting the best version of yourself to the world. It's about showcasing your unique skills, experiences, and values in a way that resonates with others. Think of it as your own personal spotlight in the world stage. It highlights your strengths, illuminates your passions, and sets the stage for your future successes. It's your story, your journey, and it's unique to you. And let's not forget the digital landscape. In a world where our online presence is becoming as significant as our physical one, personal branding is more important than ever. It's the way you present yourself on social media, the way you interact with others online, and the impression you leave behind. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an aspiring influencer, personal branding is your golden ticket to success. It's not just about getting noticed, it's about being remembered. It's about making a lasting impression that paves the way for future opportunities and successes. So, whether you're a budding entrepreneur or an aspiring influencer, personal branding is your golden ticket to success. Hold on, before we proceed, there's something you need to do. You know, the team here at Modern World Dynamics puts a lot of effort into creating these videos. It's not just about turning on a camera and talking away. It's about researching, planning, and executing to deliver quality content that's both entertaining and informational. It's about making sure we're giving you the best we've got, every single time. That's where you come in. By subscribing to our channel, you're not just getting access to our content, you're becoming part of the Modern World Dynamics family. You're joining a community that values learning and growth. And if you wish to support us even further, consider making a donation. Every penny helps us continue creating these videos. It allows us to dig deeper, research more, and bring you even better content. You'll find the donation link in the description below. Thank you for your support. Now, let's continue our journey. Now that we've established the significance of personal branding, let's talk about how to build one. First off, it's crucial to understand yourself. What are your passions, strengths, and values? These are the building blocks of your brand. Think of it as a house. You wouldn't build a house without a solid foundation, would you? Your values are that foundation, and your passions and strengths are the bricks and mortar. Let's take an example. Imagine you're a travel enthusiast with a knack for storytelling. Your values revolve around cultural exchange and exploration. This forms the basis of your brand. Your content could involve sharing travel stories, tips, and insights with your audience. Now, on to the next step, consistency. This is the glue that holds your brand together. Consistency in your messaging, visuals, and online presence is paramount. Let's go back to our travel enthusiast. If one day they're posting about their adventures in Greece, and the next day they're sharing a recipe for homemade pizza, it can be a tad confusing for their audience. Stay consistent to your brand theme. The third tip is authenticity. In today's digital age, people can spot a fake from a mile away. Be genuine. Be you. If our travel enthusiast hates camping, they shouldn't pretend to love it just to please their audience. Authenticity resonates with people and helps build trust. Fourthly, engage with your audience. Building a brand isn't a one-way street. It's a dialogue between you and your audience. Reply to comments, ask for feedback, and create community-centric content. Our travel enthusiast could host a live Q&A session or ask their audience for travel recommendations. Lastly, remember that building a personal brand is a marathon, not a sprint. It takes time to build a reputation and grow an audience. Our travel enthusiasts didn't wake up one day with 1 million followers. They built their brand over time, with patience and perseverance. Remember, building a personal brand is a journey, not a destination. It takes time and effort, but the rewards are worth it. So there you have it, the world of personal branding, decoded. We've journeyed through the vast landscape of personal branding, from understanding its essence to appreciating its importance. We've seen how it can make you stand out, be it as an influencer, an entrepreneur, or just an individual keen to make their mark. We've also dived into the practical aspect, the how-to, providing you with a roadmap to building your very own personal brand. Remember, personal branding isn't an overnight process. It's a journey of self-discovery, of showcasing your unique blend of skills and passions to the world. It's about authenticity, consistency, and patience. But most importantly, it's about being unapologetically you. With your personal brand, you've got the power to influence, to inspire, and to make a difference. So go forth and let your personal brand shine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Modern World Dynamics for more insightful content. Until next time, keep branding.